Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're all well. Today's recipe is kofta fingers with vegetables. It's a delicious recipe that you can serve with bread or rice. Let's start with half a kilo of minced meat. I personally prefer beef. Add 2 chopped onions. A half cup of parsley or coriander. 1 tablespoon of peppers paste or tomato paste. I'll add some of my spices mix جدر عويش. One little spoon of black pepper and 1 spoon of dried herbs. And salt. I stir and use my hand to mix the ingredients. You can put it in the fridge or use it right away. Now, I'll roll the mix with my hands into finger shapes. Kofta is the first recipe I learned to make. I liked it so much and ate it with bread. You can make sandwiches with it or have it with pasta. Now, we'll fry the meat fingers in a pan with oil. I flip them over . The juice came out as you can see. I add 1 onion . and stir. Then 2 garlic cloves paste. Now I add the peppers. If you like it to be spicy, add chili pepper. I'll add some of my spices mix, جدر عويش. And 1 little spoon of black pepper and paprika. Now I add 1 cup or 1 can of green beans. You're free to add any kind of vegetables, like mushrooms. Now I'll add 1 spoon of pepper paste that I cook in the oil first. See, this is my favorite spoon. I can't do without it. I stir and add salt or 1 broth cube. And you can serve it with bread or rice or pasta. It's really delicious and smells so nice. Bon appetit! Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And if you liked the video, share it.